2,000 new cases of coronavirus in Bexar County in just 24 hours. This is the biggest one-day jump in cases to date, and the mayor is pointing fingers. Erica Zuko is joining us now. Erica, what does Mayor Nuremberg here believe is behind this spike?
Well, he's already referenced the 4th of July in a tweet where he said that it seems as if people didn't take things as seriously as they would have hoped. And so we're seeing this big spike in numbers. This is the largest single day spike that we've seen, aside from the day that they reported all of those cases that were part of a backlog. But it appears that this is the largest one-day increase in positive tests as far as we know at this point. They haven't mentioned any extenuating factors. So at this point, I want to give you a look at the numbers as they stand right now. An increase of 2,202 cases in a day. That's for a total of 30,835 cases here in Bexar County since the pandemic began. At this point, 257 lives have been taken by the virus. About 10,284 people have fully recovered. That's about 37% of people. The rest are either still recovering, they're in the hospital, or they're still waiting for results on that. Now, in terms of the stress that our healthcare system is seeing, hospitalizations down a tiny bit to 1,199, but that's still a big strain. About 10% of beds available, about 48% of ventilators. And at this point, the doubling rate for cases is 16 days. We have seen lower doubling rates before. So essentially, a lower doubling rate is a bad thing. But here's the thing, we haven't seen exactly how these numbers are going to pan out. So we had this big spike. They say in part from 4th of July weekend, that was about 2 weeks ago. We haven't seen how all of these numbers are going to grow and average together, or how this spike is going to impact what we see in the coming weeks. That's something we're going to have to watch for. Live downtown, Erica Zuko, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.